We're recording. Alright, y'all, we're in the game. Let's go. Train together. Here we go. Alright. Listen up, men and women. Today, we'll be trained together. And when we get trained together, we shall smack the goofy out of each other.
Oh my god, look, we're chained.
Close. Alright, everybody, listen. We have to be alpha, okay? Let's go. Run. Everybody sprint. Go. Run.
Come on.
We can all sprint then. Okay, hold up. This is a lot. Oh.
So she's lagging. Oh my god, she's lagging.
Alright, hold up.
You.
Okay. We have to go in order, okay? I'll go first, then Lucas second, then Nyla third, okay? Wait, oh my god, there's player collision. There's player collision with all teams. It's GG's. It's GG's. It's GG's. Oh no, she's lagging. Okay, wait. Nyla should go at the top first then. She's lagging. She should go at the top first then.
No, you go first now.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, Lucas, go.
There's no line.
There is no line.
Come on.
What, but they're cutting me.
Come on. Up. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Hold up. Nyla, climb. Okay. Okay, be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful.
No. No.
Guys, help.
I can pull. I can pull.
Pull.
Take it off.
Pull.
Okay, I got you.
Thank you.
Pull.
Oh, I got you.
Okay, guys. I'll go. Okay, so Nyla, come here. Okay, I'll go first. Okay, so, bam. Okay, now come. Okay. Okay, now Nyla. Okay. Okay, now 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. 1, go. 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
I should have
1, 2. Come on. 3. 1, 2.
What?
What just happened?
Help!
Don't worry, I'm using my super strength. Shut your fucking mouth! Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1. No! No! No!
The Sinclairs! Pull us up!
Where are you?
I don't want to die!
Stop moving!
Yes!
Stop moving. You're pulling me down. Stop.
I win!
So you guys are big backs. Okay. Okay, let's go. Come on. 2, 3.
One.
Okay, go. Go.
Ow! Wait, hold on. Come back.
Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Come on, let's go. Okay, don't jump. Don't jump. Okay, I'll go first. Bam. Okay, wait, careful. There's spikes.
Whoa!
Don't wait, let's go.
Rainbow!
That's okay, I'm fine.
Go. Okay, I'll go for it. Okay. Go for it. 1,
Okay, go first.
2, 3. Go. Wait, there's no. Get down.
Down!
Oh my gosh. Go on.
Go! On!
Go.
This is like not the game to go in. I'll pull you up, Connor!
Ah! Okay, we made it. Oh my god, how high does this shit go? Oh my lord. Okay. I think we can choose 2 paths. This one seems easier. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come. 1. 2, 3. Okay. Now get ready. We're all gonna do a big jump, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, we did it. Okay, I think we have to climb the chain. Let's go. We gotta climb the chain. The chain of doom. Okay, this is thin, so if one of us falls, I won't be surprised if we all fall. Wait, if it's just like chained together, and isn't there gonna be one part of the level where like there's gonna be doors that are gonna be coming, we have to make it in time? Oh, it might be GG's at that part.
Chris, if we all fall, we're dead.
Okay, everybody go slow. Okay, wait, hold on, let Nyla catch up. Come on, Nyla, catch up. Alright, now go very slow.
Yeah, but
Don't stop moving, but just go slow. Don't stop moving, but just go slow. 1, ooga booga. 3, 2, 1, ooga booga.
pull us up! For her though.
Oh,
leave her.
yeah, I'll leave her. I'm joking.
What did you say? I need to join you. You know what? You want me to leave?
No, wait. What happens if someone leaves?
I think it might restart us as 2 then.
Okay, if you leave, then we all get restarted.
I
And
think.
we might
I
go
think.
back all the way to the beginning.
What?
If you record with us, then I don't know. We'll give you something. I don't know.
Get Robux. Actually, no, you don't get it.
No Robux for her. She's gonna become filthy rich.
I already spent like 2 Robux gift cards on
Lucas,
like.
do you know you don't
yeah.
brush your teeth?
Excuse me?
Your breath.
No, we're going down.
Yes, you do!
I brush my teeth every
No, you don't! You bombed!
Ow.
Oh my god.
Make that up, you guys. How dare you try to kill everyone?
No.
You know how
Oh, I
rude
did
that
my-
is? No, let's go later.
Wait, is that skeleton? Since I can't do anything, I think I'm gonna.
No.
Come on, ladies!
No, let go of me. I need to do something.
Oh.
I need. Oh my god, I forgot we can sprint. Oh my gosh.
Back
Wait, we
now.
can't go back.
We can.
Hey, Rose! Stop being lazy.
Rose, get your big self over here. Wait, no.
Yeah,
That,
but
no. Okay, yeah, go. Since you can't do anything.
I'm gonna fart at him.
Time here.
Oh,
And
they're so far ahead. Come on.
Come on with your potato device. Look,
Ugh.
look at that
Yeah.
jawline. Damn.
Crazy, bro. He had to be mewing. He was definitely mewing for Christmas.
No! No! Come on!
Go,
Yo,
go.
Look at it.
Not me.
Come on.
Guys, we're flying. We're flying.
We can make
wait.
it. Come on.
I'm flying like a bird.
No. Come on.
Yeah.
No.
I landed like a bird.
Wait a minute.
Come on. Yeah.
Wait, come on. Can we get in here? Okay, we can.
What a trash.
Oh my gosh, we gotta restart the entire thing now.
Yo,
I don't see the chain.
Yo, oh my god, I don't think we even have any checkpoints. Is that Wednesday Adams? Oh my gosh, I'm a fan.
potato.
No!
Okay, now maybe it's time that you don't. Maybe it's best if you don't play each other because your device is so potato.
Why did you let me join you?
Because I didn't know you had a potato device.
Why don't we give her one
Yeah.
more chance? One more chance.
One more chance. One more chance.
Alright, one more
bro.
chance. Let's go. Wait, I just realized
Why are you
Thi-
taller than me?
this chain is like a leash. Yo, take this from me right now!
What?
I just realized that this chain is like a
Now
leash. Yo, take this leash off of me right now, bro. I'm gonna crash the frick out.
She left.
Oh my god, now she broke our game. Okay, hold up, reset. Yo, Lucas, I just realized the chain is like a leash. So,
So,
the chain's like a leash. Yo, get that chain off of me. This just dogged it into its finest. But now we got the. Now we got a dog and a Sinclair, bro. It's over. It's over. Now we can speed run. Go. Okay. Go.
yo, am I lagging? I know my.
Go down. Okay. Down. Boom. 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 Boom.
So we were sworn another person now.
Boom.
Oh, I'm confused. The vice is so potato.
Hey, come on. Lucas, come on, go.
Take the device. I'm sorry, but that's the truth.
Wait, what the hell?
Yeah, what the
You can pull other teams. I just pulled someone on the opposite team.
you have a
Okay,
potato
Lucas,
device.
come on, let's go. No. Lucas, focus, man. Lucas! Lucas!
I'm busy fighting my sibling. You have a potato device.
It's so over, bro.
Yo, these bombs better move.
Wait. Yep, that one's gonna go now. Yo!
It's not my fault.
That is your fault.
They didn't even judge me. I was about to get a free haircut.
Just go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
What? My face.
Okay, and then.
I violated.
Go. Go.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Maybe this game's about having a good device.
Go right, we're cooking. No! My brother! My brother!
Pull me up.
Alright, let's go.
Get it.
Damn, we're speedrunning now. We're already back here. I guess it was a potato device. You might as well call it a cooked potato.
You potato.
I mean, you might as well call it a cooked potato. Because the device is cooked.
Actually, no. It's not even a normal potato. It's a big potato.
I feel so bad now. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No! So I fell the bell. I fell the bell. I fell inside the red velvet cake and the cooked potato.
Yep.
Chad, this is before and after having a cooked potato device on our team.
Potato device. Before and after. Yo, editor, play it before and after, side by side.
Yeah.
Yo.
You know what's crazy, Lucas? It took us like 10 minutes. It took us like 8 minutes to get here when she was on our team, and then it's just us. It took only like 4 minutes.
The device is a potato.
A cooked potato, you can say.
Baked potato. Baked potatoes, especially.
Damn, we're already back here.
Baked potato.
So bad. Feels so bad. Oh my gosh. Hey Lucas, I guess you can say I was sniffing around.
What's going on around here?
Uh-oh.
What's going on around here? I sleep for me at you. What's going on? Yeah. No, I didn't call you a potato.
Chad, like, come on. I'm so dumb. Hey, it's a cooked potato.
No, you're not a baked potato. You're a fried potato.
No, I guess she's a deep fried potato.
A deep fried potato.
Yeah, deep fried potato.
You haven't laughed that hard in so long.
Oh
No, you don't.
no! Cinnamon those scratches! Cinnamon those scratches! What the?
Okay, let's not do it.
Oh my god!
Stop. I don't want to get bullied in the comments.
No!
Evolution is insane.
Chat, how cooked potatoes were in 2020 compared to 2025 comparison. Oh my gosh!
I can't stop. I have a tear running down my eye.
My head's pounding me. Wait, I gotta rephrase that. My head is killing me.
I'm gonna wheeze.
I'm gonna. I guess you can say it's a cooked potato arms and legs. Shut the fuck up! I guess you can call it a cooked potato with circuits.
Wait, land on this.
I guess that was our karma. I guess you can call it a cooked potato with circuits.
A cooked potato circus is insane. I can't, dude.
Why are we dying so hard from potato jokes? They might as well call them dad jokes now.
Dad jokes for potatoes.
Chat, we are the cooked potato. Cooked potatoes, assemble in the fryer. Dun, 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 dun. I guess you can call her
A gamma radiation cooked potato.
Chat, the potato jokes died in just like 5 minutes.
Yes. Oh my god, but those look
I mean, you can call her a overcooked fried potato.
I can't even laugh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
I'm about to lose the ability to laugh. I guess you can call her a whining overcooked potato. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go! No! Look at it.
Yes!
Guys, I'll see you guys when we're back at that stage again.
Oh my god.
No! Oh my gosh, bro.
Should we just end the video?
Chat, we're gonna end off the video here because I swear if we keep recording, we're gonna be laughing too hard, man. This is probably gonna be one of the shortest videos I posted, but it was a hilarious one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out. And one more thing, chat. She's still a good potato.